ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon and welcome to SOM Live. Corky McCorkle here along with the loaded gun, Chad Bartlett, one half of the SOM East Tennessee Tag Team Champions. We are SOM. Come get some. Chad.
Come on.
What a big weekend we've got coming up tonight at the Mothlight in Asheville, North Carolina. SOM presents UCW Urban Combat Wrestling, Rap and Wrestling 2.
That's right.
And not to mention tomorrow night, Holiday Havoc right here, 5 p.m. at 2085 Chuckey Highway at the SOM Studios.
That's the way we do it. We keep it jam-packed. We keep our fans entertained. And if you want to get right and you want to see a fight, you better get to the Mothlight. And then we got Holiday Havoc back to back. What more could you want? Tell us, what more could you want?
A lot of action, and I'll be streaming live tomorrow night here from the SOM Studios on Facebook and YouTube. We're going to be hearing from all the competitors that are going to be competing tomorrow at Holiday Havoc, as well as we've got a match that's been brewing for several weeks here. Joe Briggs taking on Alex Monroe. It's a non-title match. If Alex Monroe wins today, then he's going to get his title shot at that X Division title tomorrow at Holiday Havoc.
Big stakes.
So that's coming up later on in the program, folks, as well as a lot of interviews and highlights for you, everything that led up to Holiday Havoc. So we got a big program for you. Stick around.
Spaceman for SOM Live, standing here with Devastation Incorporation. Your man, the Sultan, has the golden ticket, and Malik, I heard that you got nominated, or you won the award for being the manager of the year at SOM Live?
That is correct, Mr. Spaceman, because, you know, the cream does rise to the crop. The best does show off. And, you know, we don't just talk about what we are going to do. We do what we say we are going to do. And you know that Devastation is growing. We have new members showing up. We have new talent that we need to put on display. And we also have a champion inside of our midst also too. And we will have another one very shortly.
Well, we just now saw that you guys have been coming in force to the ring. It's been a lot of very, very violent encounters with you and your opponents. Do you even care about a win?
You know, actually, if everybody's so concerned about all that, why don't they get their own troops and why don't they go to war with us too? Because if they can't take us on by themselves, maybe they need to have their own corporations too. Because that is a smart thing. We don't walk out by ourselves. Would you go to a fight with all these men by yourself? No, well, you would not. That's why we are Devastation Incorporation, and that's why we are very smart men. That's why we are champions. Not only in the business world, but in the wrestling world too. There's a lot of things that happen, Mr. Spaceman, and they don't happen by accident. They happen by being planned, and they happen by being executed.
Well, there you have it. Stiff words from Devastation Incorporation that say they're coming for the gold. You got the golden ticket holder, the Sultan, and the SOM Live Manager of the Year, Prince Malik, along with the X Division champion, Joe Briggs. It makes Devastation Incorporated a very, very formidable group at SOM Live. This is Spaceman. Y'all make sure that y'all keep it locked.
I'm Hoot. And I'm Punky. And you're watching SOM Live.
Willie Manus in here refereeing this match. Rated the #1 reddest shoes and the 3rd reddest face.
I think they're the 2nd reddest shoes. All right, now, Devastation Inc. out here. What a...
Look at this group.
Jason Blythe.
I mean, they're almost family
I
level.
still can't get over it. Jason Blythe has turned his back on his country.
Turned his back on what? Ricky, what have anybody ever done for him? He finally found a group that is going to put him where he needs to be, and that's right on top.
All right, well, what is the plan here from Devastation Inc.? You gotta wonder. Joe Briggs granting a match to Alex Monroe.
They're going to smash his hopes and dreams.
Non-title match. But if Alex Monroe wins here today, he's gonna get that X Division title shot tomorrow night at Holiday Havoc.
He ain't getting nothing but a medical bill. No, I don't believe that right now.
Well, here he comes. Here he comes, Alex Monroe. May the force be with him. We know we've been up force against Alex Monroe here. And an even stronger devastation incorporation.
Alex Monroe looks like a baboon in the face of a typhoon.
What?
He's trying to jump in the deep end. He don't even know how to swim. This right here is a public execution.
All right, the doctor taking off his stethoscope and his lab coat, ready to administer pain, but not if Alex Monroe has anything to say about it.
He ain't gonna be able to say nothing with that mouth wired shut. Watch and see what Doctor of Destruction does to him. He stepped up against the wrong group, and he knows it. He's in there in the ring right now quivering and wishing he didn't open that mouth and start running it.
I don't think that is the case at all. Alex Monroe is a heck of a competitor. He's not backing down from Joe Briggs, who's been out here.
Oh, he turned his back.
Oh, wait a minute.
Whoa!
There's press. And right hands from Alex Monroe. And another takedown. And look at him go. Alex Monroe is in danger of getting himself qualified here.
And how
if he
quickly that
continues
dream
with those
stops.
fists. Wait, reversal of the whip. Alex Monroe takes down Joe Briggs with that back elbow. Hey, Alex Monroe.
Wait a minute now.
He might just get that title opportunity tomorrow night.
Oh!
Big vertical suplex from Alex Monroe. Hook of the leg. 2 count only.
This is a fluke if I've ever seen one, Corky. This is a fluke. You know what they say about the sunshine and a dog's rear end, don't you?
Joe Briggs got the foot up just in time. Got that boot into the face of Alex Monroe. But Alex Monroe.
We got the Sultan up on the apron. He is not happy about what's going on right now. At all.
Alex Monroe getting distracted after delivering that power slam to Dr. Briggs. And now Joe Briggs, German suplex. Folded up Alex Monroe like an accordion with that one.
Oh, yeah.
Dropping him right on his neck.
You know, he's
Alex
feeling
Monroe.
the nerves in his toes tingle right now after getting
I
slapped
don't
around
doubt
like
it.
that. Oh, my
Briggs.
God, he just kicked his teeth down
Yeah.
his throat. Oh, Lord.
Huge knife edge chop from the Doctor of Destruction. And
What
now
goes
it's the
around
X-Division
comes around,
champion
Corky.
with the mounted position punches on Alex Monroe and choking away. These fans firmly behind Alex Monroe. Devastating blows from the member of Devastation Inc., the X-Division champ, Joe Briggs.
And this crowd's going crazy right now. They don't know what to think about this. They thought Alexander Monroe came out here and actually stood a chance.
Really, I think they know what to think. They want to see Alex Monroe make a comeback in this thing. And look at this. Look at this. From the outside, the Sultan of Dubai choking away, using that middle rope, that bottom rope as a weapon to choke Alex Monroe.
Look at this.
Joe Briggs. He has gone crazy in there.
Alex
on
Monroe has to know that at this point in his life, going after that X Division championship is a dangerous endeavor. It ain't what it used to be. Nothing has happened but a step up in the game of all of us here at SOM Live.
Alex Monroe fighting back now. Both men taking shots to the gut. Another knife edge chop from Joe Briggs.
This right here is a perfect example of why SOM Live was rated by Wrestling Illustrated as the #1 up-and-coming promotion in the entire world. It's all on display for you right here and right now.
Look at these two in each other's faces. Wow. I believe you could light a cigarette off Alex Monroe's chest right now. I mean, it's on fire, Ted.
It's on fire.
And now every part of Alex Monroe on fire. Wow. Firing back with his knife edge chops of his own. Takes down Joe Briggs. Takes him down once again to the mat. Alex Monroe Whips Joe Briggs. Reversal from the Doctor of Destruction. Flying cross chop from Alex Monroe. And Alex Monroe now. Wow.
Oh my God.
Takes over the Doctor of Destruction, Joe Briggs. And Alex Monroe charging to the corner with a big knee. Bulldog, headlock, takedown. And could that do it?
No.
Count only.
Red-chested and on fire, Alex Monroe can still not get the 3 count on Doctor of Destruction, Joe Briggs.
Joe Briggs, kick to the gut of Alex Monroe.
Oh! What a back elbow.
Alex
The
Monroe.
Doctor of Destruction don't know
on
where
that
he's
middle
at
rope.
right
What's
now.
he gonna do now?
Whoa!
Flying cross body press off the middle rope and 2 count only.
Members of Devastation Incorporation getting worried at ringside here.
Well, even if Alex Monroe wins it here today, he's still, it's non-title. He's still got to beat Joe Briggs again tomorrow to regain that X Division Championship title. Alex Monroe, I think he was looking for that stunner.
DDT,
But wait
no.
a minute, DDT, nope.
Oh!
Joe Briggs back up on his feet, but he is
Oh,
on
there's the stunner.
Green Street. Alex Monroe hits the stunner. And the Sultan
He's got
up
the
there
pin.
to distract. Yeah. Yeah, how many seconds did he have him down for? That was certainly it. It was. Dr. Briggs trying to sneak up from behind, hits the DDT. And now,
Wait a minute.
well, both men down.
What is going on here ringside?
Who
We
is
got
this?
some kind of druid just pushing a
Yeah,
coffin
we
out
saw
here.
this a few weeks ago. That's the coffin that
Can we get
Sick Rick
security?
sent Draco off in. We haven't seen Draco since that casket match at Fright Night back in October. And Joe Briggs.
He looks like he's seen a ghost. I don't know. He's
could
forgetting
Draco
about the
be
match.
in that casket?
I don't know what is going on. Last time we
The
saw a
referee is
casket like
counting.
that, it did not end up good.
Joe Briggs.
Anyway,
I don't think Joe Briggs even hears the referee. He's forgotten that there's a match going on
that
here.
thing may be booby trapped, Corky.
I
We
wouldn't
don't need
open it.
I
What are
wouldn't
you
open it.
doing?
Oh!
What's in
Oh
there? That's
my
the
God!
doctor's lab coat.
That was his lab coat stethoscope in the X Division Championship.
And well, it was all inside the casket, and now Joe Briggs
No,
has
he got
lost the
counted
match.
out.
The count out. Alex Monroe wins, and so
What is?
Joe Briggs
This is
is going to
crazy,
have to put the
Corky.
title on the line
This is nuts.
tomorrow night. Alex Monroe
Oh
going
my
to get
God.
his X Division title match tomorrow at
This is
Holiday
crazy.
Havoc. You know that's got to be Draco playing the mind games with the casket, and Joe Briggs' possession inside that casket.
What is going on?
All right, folks.
Oh my God.
Wow, what a match and quite an outcome for Alex Monroe. And right now, Spaceman Jones standing by with some of the competitors that will be taking place at Holiday Havoc tomorrow night.
I don't get paid enough to be around these coffins and dead bodies and spooky. None of that. I thought Halloween's over. Halloween's over. I'm sick of this.
Stick
I don't
around,
get
folks.
paid enough to sit here and be terrified by all these ghouls and goblins and all this stuff.
I think that we got a match getting ready to brew.
Always that. All I need is cause I'm mad.
Space, yeah. Bring your money with you if you're coming my way.
Yeah, I'm in like the first on a Friday. Nigga hustle pay.
Damn, it feels good to get in my bed. Time I feeling so.
What is America? She's a beautiful city on the hill, shining, a beacon, bringing forth people from all over the world to combine into one nation. It's where any boy, girl of any nationality, color, creed can become whatever they want to be. All they have to do is work hard, catch the breaks sometimes, learn from their failures. What makes this nation so great is the fact that so many young men and women will walk into a room, raise their right hand, and say, I am an American, fighting in the forces which guard my country and our way of life. I am prepared to give my life in that defense. That's America.
Spaceman here for SOM Live, standing here with a clearly freaked out Joe Briggs. We saw the casket. We've seen this casket before with the Archangel Draco. I don't know what's going on, but I am freaked out just as much as you are. Prince Malik, what is going on?
Well, I have two questions. First of all, how did the casket even get to the arena?
It seemed like it just appeared out of nowhere.
And how did his belt, and how did he get into the casket?
I don't know. This is way weird for me. Joe Briggs, do you have anything to say about this situation?
Draco.
Hey, man, it's the same situation.
Hey, you asked me a question. You asked me a question. Let me answer it. Turn the lights back on. Turn them on now.
Please. What's going on with these lights, man? I'm getting super freaked out. So, hey, man, it's something. It's blood on
Why
your.
are you looking at me?
It's
like
blood on your head, man. Man, this is getting way too weird. This is definitely a message from Draco, the Archangel. This is Spaceman for SOM Live, and we're out of here.
Wanted me to let you know, folks, that it's just Mook. He said no more BTSG, no more bow tie stand-up guy. It's just Mook.
This is a big development.
This is not news. This is not news. Brian Rivers beating Mook. That's news. Now can we get on with the wrestling? Any more announcements you gotta make? Time to meet the real outlaw power. You ready? You ready? What are you doing? I'm not ready. What does this tell you?
All right, got this big match, this non-title match between Mook, who is now just going by Mook. No more BTSG.
Gonna take some getting used to. But
Yes, it is.
I know him as the BTSG, but
And he's up against Brian Rivers. And this match has already been very intense. These two guys being extremely physical with each other.
it's been incredible. BTSG, series of knife edge chops to the real outlaw. Big forearm blast.
Big forearm blast.
From Mook.
He's gonna, like you said, Cork, he's gonna get some hard kick right in the ribs. Hey, this is a much more.
He's feeding the boots to Brian
This
Rivers.
is a much more aggressive move than we've seen. Bronco Buster.
Oh yeah, it was hooked to the leg, man. Well, last night when Mook took off the bow tie, he threw it in the face of R2-3, the new SOM heavyweight champion.
Oh, big, man. Going right back
Rivers
first.
just powering Mook back into the corner.
Big knee shot. Uh-oh, you've seen this before. Whoa!
Rivers with another knee after a head full of steam off the ropes there.
Boy, he was like a runaway steer.
Rivers hooks the legs and 2 count. How does Mook manage to do it? You know,
I'ma tell you why, 'cause
the
he's-
size disparity, and a guy like Brian Rivers has got both of his legs
He is
curled up like that.
He is so resilient. This guy is super resilient.
And it's how pound for pound strong Mook is.
Oh yes, very strong.
You know,
And
he's
that
not the
wirely
biggest
body.
guy, but you know, I saw him picking up the Sultan and RT3 yesterday. 2 of the biggest heavyweights we got. Got Rivers.
Oh, turn him inside
from
out.
the real outlaw. Holy cow.
This real outlaw Brian Rivers is one tough customer, boy.
Yeah.
He's been basically running roughshod over the entire SOM roster since he's been here.
He's had a lot of huge wins, and you know, since he came in, as you said, all the going all the way to win the
educated
Spoiler
feet.
Classic this year. PTSD. I mean, Mook, excuse me, hits the leg lariat, and
Educated feet of BTSG.
Mook ducks the clothesline. Brian Rivers ducked the first 360
He didn't get
roundhouse
all of
kick.
it. He got him right on the shoulder, but it was enough to knock Brian Rivers down. The velocity of those kicks, man, it really doesn't have to catch you square for it to affect you.
Mook, he's in there. He's breathing heavy, but he's still fighting. Mook.
Oh, he's going to suplex the big guy.
Brian Rivers. Is he going to get? Is he going for the bow tie driver? Is he going to suplex this big guy over? Nope. Brian Rivers reverses.
Oh, stalled with that.
A stall and almost a brain buster on BTSG, which is not good.
Now this Brian
BTSG
Rivers,
got dropped right on
this
his head
Brian Rivers
yesterday
is
after a big German suplex.
BTSG!
yeah, that was reported that he had reported a stinger in his neck, but the champ, he's looking good. He's looking good right now.
Mook fighting back now. Right hand, and Mook clothesline inside out from Brian Rivers.
Now Brian Rivers throws one mean lariat. If he lines him up the right way, he can knock a man out with it.
The real outlaw
To the cover.
once again, and it's a near count.
2 count. Once again, the BTSG. Oh, not the BTSG.
Not the BTSG.
Just moving.
It's the first thing he said to me in 2 days, Spaceman.
And I haven't heard from him either. The
I know
transformation.
you're close friends with,
Yeah, I haven't.
with Mook. I thought he and I were pretty good friends.
Yeah, I
but
haven't heard from him. He's been maintaining some radio silence. I don't really know what his thoughts are.
All right, both men now outside of the ring. Brian Rivers has got Mook set up and
Onto the apron. Holy smokes.
I thought he was going to hit him onto that pad on the outside, but no, it was right to the ring apron.
Well, the
it's
ring
the hardest
apron
part
of the
ring. You don't want to hit there. But Mook did just that after that powerbomb. Brian Rivers now
was right back up in there.
BTSG into the ring. BTSG. Mook.
It's going to be hard to get over. The change was pretty sudden.
2 count only for Brian Rivers. He's got nothing but pride on the line here.
Well, I'm sure BTSG wins it. It'll put him in line for East Tennessee title shot if he wanted one. But I don't know what this man is after. I don't know how he feels anymore.
Mook back to his feet. Puts the right hand. Delivers one of his own. Mook now fighting back. Puts Brian Rivers into the corner.
Those big knee strikes.
Those knees. BTSG, yes. Uranagi. Mook hits the Uranagi. And 2 count only.
BTSG
removing that leather strap that he had on. Now off the ropes.
Big spine buster. Holy moly.
Devastating spine buster out of nowhere.
He's signaling that it's over. It well might be.
And still not enough.
Not enough.
To put away Mook. Mook is as tenacious as they come inside the squared circle. So resilient. Mook. You're fired.
You're fired.
I guess he's still all about business in there, wouldn't you say?
Yes, I would say that he's all business. This is a serious move that we're seeing.
All right. Mook now off the rope.
Big frog splash.
Yeah, with a twist to it. Flips over into a cover. Hook of the leg. Yes, he wins it.
And he wins it. Mook with a victory over the East Tennessee champion, BTS. There is Mook with a win over the East Tennessee champion, Brian Rivers.
On the dance.
I don't know if we'll see any dancing out of this guy. This guy is very serious today.
Yeah, but I mean, these fans love him. They come out to see him dance. They need to play Thriller.
There'll be no. I don't think.
What was the song? Beat It.
Beat It. I don't think there'll be any dancing from the BTSG. I think he's all danced out. See the East Tennessee champion taking a.
See BTSG. Excuse me. Mook, but I guess these fans came to see BTSG, and he's just Mook.
This is tough for. It's got to be tough for him.
Not gonna dance.
Not gonna dance.
Perhaps I should.
The crowd stunned. The crowd stunned that BTSG.
Well, it was a big win. It was something certainly worthy of celebrating.
I think that they're more stunned because he wouldn't dance.
All right, folks, that's all for the program today. Once again, I want to remind you, tonight at the Mothlight in Asheville, North Carolina, SOM presents UCW Rap and Wrestling 2. Tomorrow night here at SOM Studios, Holiday Havoc. You got to come out and see this in person for yourself, folks, and find out why Pro Wrestling Illustrated Association voted SOM the #1 up-and-coming independent promotion, wrestling promotion in the country. Folks, all this action is going down tonight in Asheville at the Mothlight and tomorrow in Chuckey, Tennessee, 2085 Chuckey Highway. And we want to see you there, folks, and be sure to join us next week for more SOM Live.